Hey everyone! In this video I'll show you how to create multi-page automated designs in Canva step by step. This feature is perfect for catalogs, reports, carousels, or any project where you need multiple pages fast. First, go to canva.com and log in or create a free account. You need to be logged in to access automation features. Click Create a Design and choose the design type you need. This sets the page size for all your automated pages. Now design your first page by adding text, images, and layout elements. This page will act as the base for all other pages. Next, select the text or image you want to change on each page. Click Use Variable and give it a clear name. Variables allow Canva to replace content automatically. Open the Variables panel and add multiple rows of data. Each row represents a new page with different content. Canva will automatically generate multiple pages using the same layout. Scroll through each page and preview everything carefully. Check spacing, alignment, and readability before exporting. When everything looks good, click Download or Share and choose the format you need. Canva will export all pages together. Quick tips: keep variable names simple, use consistent layouts, and always preview before downloading. These small steps make your automated designs look professional. And yeah, that's how to create multi-page automated designs in Canva in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next guide.